Your ear produces a sticky, shiny, waxy oil called cerumen, which is more commonly known as earwax. It's produced by the wax glands located in the outer part of your ear canal. Earwax protects your ear from dust, dirt, and other debris from getting inside. Also, it helps keep your ear moisturized, and without it your ears would probably be itchy and dry. Normally, excess earwax finds its way out of the canal and into your ear opening naturally, and then is washed away. Also, moving your jaw or chewing a gum will speed up the process. And if that's not the case for you, it's probably because you tried to clean them up yourself using cotton swab and pushed the wax in deeper. The only thing doctors do agree on, putting anything inside your ear is a bad idea. But in some cases, some people produce more earwax than others, accumulating in the ear canal and cause symptoms including ear pain, a feeling of fullness, a plugged sensation, hearing loss, a whistle in the ear which is called tinnitus, ear infection, itching. If you have any of these symptoms, a visit to the doctor is advised. If the problem is not that serious, you can clean your outer ear with a washcloth. You also can try putting a few drops of baby oil, mineral oil, or glycerin in your ear to soften the wax. Other than that, using cotton swabs, small pointy objects, hydrogen peroxide, and ear candles is a bad idea, and you will make it even worse for yourself. Subscribe for more videos, turn on post notification, like the video if you do. Thanks for watching.